Hi everyone. I'm just recording on how to use intents and entities and create a conversational chatbot using dialog flow. So we'll see a particular use case of a chatbot in business. Let's say a businessman has a voice assistant and he wants to know how his products are doing. So what he takes is he takes the survey of customers and the chatbot assists him in his business decisions. Uh, so these are the default intents and few custom intents that I have created using the chatbot, and I will integrate using Google Assistant, where you can see the chatbot in live action. So first we'll test the chatbot. So let's say how is the business doing, and this is sure here's a summary of the products. Customer think the product is a little expensive. So I will ask the voice assistant, what do you suggest? I would like to send you a promo code to the people who gave their emails. So these are the contexts that I've written, which I will explain in a little while. So let's say proceed. If you give 5% discount on the promo code, you would end up with a 20% profit margin. Would you like the suggestion? I of course love the suggestion. Yes. Sending messages to the customers. Hope this helps your business. So this is the basic chatbot that I have created, and let's see each of the intents that I have done. So what we want is a conversational chatbot. This is the default welcome intent that is given by the dialog flow. We didn't say anything to this, but here this is the today's review intent that I have created. So these are the questions for which I give a response like this. So the questions can be anything. How was the business today? How was the performance today? What reviews did we get today? How was the reviews today? So instead of today, they can say any date. Instead of reviews, they can say anything. They can say performance, they can say business, they can say, yeah, that's about it. So instead of today, you can write anything. Sys dot. So this date indicates the value. So for everything, this is the response, and here you can see that. So this after this, you have to proceed the conversation. So this will be the context reviews given, and this yes, and this reviews given will be the input context to this intent. So this is the input context, and this is automatically added. You need not worry about that. So what do you suggest I do now? And yeah, here this is the response that I have. So now this intent will be a context to uh, these intents, and the context is this: suggestion liked or suggestion not liked. Let's see the suggestion liked here. Proceed to suggestion. If you give a 5% discount on the promo code, you would end up. So this is what the chatbot suggests, and when you say proceed, you will have another context, and that goes to the send promo intent. The send promo is the input context and the promo code value. Sending messages to the customer, this hopes your business. And this is a basic chatbot that I have created using dialog flow. And let's see how it works in the Google Assistant. I'll hide this. Yeah. So microphone, talk to smart feed. Hi. So how is the business today? Today. What do you suggest? And see, you can see actually the responses. You can see the responses as well. Proceed. I created a basic chatbot. Yes. Okay. Thank you. See, is because we didn't redirect to the default intent. So we will see. So this is a Google action I created using my Google account. So if I sign in using this Google account into any of the devices that I have, let's say a mobile or a voice assistant like Google Home, I can see the smart feed action. So you can see actions on Google. So this is the console that I have, and this is the action that I created using the dialog flow. And you could actually save the discount using entities. See, I use data, which means it tells the difference, and I use the discount. Sorry for